In ArcFlow 415 welding machine, first you got a user manual to read how to use it. Then you get electrode holder. And then you will get earth clamp cable to hold. This is a AFI 415 model welding machine, which is single, double and three-phase machine. This is a digital meter and this are a rotatory switch to set the voltage current. This switch is to set the arc force of the machine. When you use in single phase, the green light will appear here. When machine overheat, light appear here. When use in third phase, then your light will appear here. This is positive terminal. This is negative terminal. This is a MCB switch to protect the welding machine to high current voltage. It automatically cut current. This is a VRD switch to switch on and switch off the current. There is a fan for cooling.